What if the chains tying you to past pain, expectations, or toxic relationships vanished? Would you have the courage to chase your destiny? What if the secret to unstoppable focus lies in mastering detachment? Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we are journeying through Becoming Karma Yogi by Daksh Jindal, a powerful and practical guide to becoming detached, focused, and unstoppable. Jindal challenges us to unlock our genius, just like the great minds from Socrates to Einstein, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to Srinivasa Ramanujan did, by learning the art of detached action. Karma Yoga, literally the yoga of action, is all about doing your duty, giving your best, but letting go of attachment to outcomes. Though this concept is ancient, Jindal reinterprets it for modern living, teaching that detachment doesn't mean disconnection, it's the freedom to act with clarity, purpose, and emotional balance. Picture holding onto a dead leaf, letting go brings relief. Jindal asks us to let go of comparisons, familial expectations, memories of hurt, imagining a life free from that mental prison. Imagine being guided by Socrates' relentless inquiry, Einstein's laser focus, Kalam's humility, Ramanujan's unwavering curiosity. Jindal profiles them as exemplars of detached focus and divine purpose. Ever felt stuck? Jindal doesn't just inspire, he gives you a roadmap. Pause before reacting. Ask what truly matters. Act with dedication, then release the result. This is your blueprint to becoming a modern karma yogi. Think about the weight you are carrying, criticisms, disappointments, the what-ifs. Jindal's story isn't just philosophical, it's liberating. It whispers, you, too, can be unstoppable once you untether from expectations and act with serene purpose. In 4 transformative steps. Imagine freedom from toxic ties. Learn from quiet geniuses. Follow practical, detached practices. Act purposefully, then release. That's the essence of becoming karma yogi. Detach. Focus. Live your genius. Craving that kind of inner fire? Grab Becoming Karma Yogi, let its stories and strategies ignite your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your personal steps toward becoming a karma yogi in the comments. Until next time, stay focused, stay free.